Today I'm going to show you how to use image blocks in Squarespace. Image blocks are one of the most versatile tools in Squarespace, allowing you to add visual elements to your site that can be customized, linked, and styled to match your brand perfectly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. You'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your websites are listed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to use image blocks. This will open up that specific site's management area. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Edit Site. Click on that and then click the Edit button that appears. This takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes directly to your site's layout and content. Next, you'll need to select a section on your page where you want to add the image. Once you've chosen your section, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with various block types you can add. From these options, click on Image. This creates a new image block in your selected section. You'll notice a pencil icon appears on the image block. Click on that pencil icon to start customizing your image. This opens up the Content tab where you can manage everything about your image. The first thing you'll want to do is click Add an Image. Squarespace gives you several options for adding images. Upload file, select from library, browse stock images, and upload from mobile. Each option serves different needs, but for this tutorial, we'll choose select from library. This is particularly useful if you've already uploaded images to your Squarespace account previously. Browse through your library and click on the picture you want to use. Once you've selected it, click Add to insert it into your image block. The image will now appear in your block, but we're not done customizing yet. Now you can click the Edit button that appears under the image. This opens up Squarespace's built-in image editor, which is incredibly powerful. Here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, highlights, and shadows of your image. Take your time experimenting with these settings until your image looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. One of the most useful features of image blocks is the ability to make them clickable. To do this, click Attach Link. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options: URL, file, email, and phone. Each of these allows you to link your image to different destinations. For example, URL lets you link to another web page, file lets you link to a downloadable document, email creates a mail to link, and phone creates a clickable phone number for mobile users. Also, you shouldn't overlook the image alt text option. This is important for both accessibility and SEO, as it describes what the image shows for screen readers and search engines. Click on Image Alt Text and type in a brief descriptive caption of what the image contains. Now let's move to the Design tab. This is where you control how your image displays on the page. You can adjust the image size to fit, fill, or shape. Fit keeps the entire image visible without cropping. Fill makes the image cover the entire block area, which might crop parts of the image. And Shape lets you apply different geometric shapes to your image container. Next, click on Image Effect. This feature allows you to select various visual effects for your image, adding an extra layer of style to match your site's aesthetic. Browse through the available effects and choose one that complements your design. You also have the option to enable Overlay and Lightbox for your image. The Overlay feature adds a color or gradient layer over your image, which can be particularly useful when placing text on top of the image. The Lightbox feature allows visitors to click on the image to view it in a larger full-screen format, which is great for portfolios or detailed product photos. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Save to finalize your image block. Your image is now live on your page with all the customizations you've applied. And that's how you use image blocks in Squarespace. You've learned how to add images, edit them, link them, optimize them for accessibility, and style them to match your site's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.